Hello guys, let's talk about this 2-channel dash cam. It comes with 4K resolution and also works with 5 GHz Wi-Fi for your cell phone, built-in GPS and voice control. So let's just unbox it and later I will install it in my car. So there we go. It comes here with information, dear customer, good day, and everything else. Thank you very much. And let me just remove here this one, which I think that should be the camera. That's the main camera, okay? So here you see that's a 4K camera. You have the lens and here the GPS module. Then you're gonna just install your camera like this. And here you're gonna see an LCD display, LED for the recording, also the GPS, a microphone here so you can record everything. And basically you can also connect to the USB port so you can charge the camera and to the rear camera. So you're gonna have a cable to connect to the rear camera. Comes also with an SD card, which is pretty rare on cameras like this. Most of the time they don't come with an SD card. This one comes with 64 gigabytes SD card, okay? Pretty interesting. I'll just put it here. Let's see what else I have here in the box. So here I have the user menu. Just put this box aside and see the user menu here. So basically, you can just read the menu to see if you have the information that you need. There we go. You have everything that comes in the box. So you have the card, you have the camera, accessories for installation, cables, and everything else, right? It looks pretty good. It shows how to install the camera. And there you go. It's pretty easy because you can see the camera via the cell phone as well, okay? So user menu. Let's see what else I have here. What else I have? So the accessories for the installation. And cable, so USB cable. Let me just open it up. There we go, USB cable. And here the accessories, just remove from this plastic bag as well. There we go, everything here. And the other camera, right? I need to have a second camera, that's the rear camera. There we go. Removing from the plastic bag, and that's the camera with the cable that you can connect to the main camera here, rear camera, and you're good to go to install in your car. Okay, very good, very good. And what else I have here? Okay, the cigarette lighter, so you can have the USB connection here so you can power your camera, okay? So basically that's it. And also have here some protection for your windshield so you don't scratch it when you install your camera or something like that. Just put it aside. And also some kind of accessory here. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm going to find out because I'm going to install this in my car, okay? So I made a mess here, but pretty much I have everything that I need for the car installation, and let's just do it. Okay, so here's the camera I need to install here in the windshield. The idea is to peel this off and just place the camera like this. Okay, so you can put in the best position here on the windshield. Let me just peel this off. You can also clean here as I did before, and also put here that film to protect your glass if you want to. In my case, I'm not doing that. I'm just peeling here like this. Okay, so basically just remove the film from here and I'm okay to go. Just place like this and I'm going to position the camera. You can just move this up and down so you can position the camera the way you want. Okay, so pretty easy. Okay, it's movable, so you're good to go. Now you just need to pass the wires here and hide as much as you can, as better as you can. So go to the rear camera and also here to connect to the power, okay? Because you need to power this camera on. Just connect the cables here and you power it. The next step is to connect the cable here for the rear camera. So just plug it in and hide the cable. I can hide it here on the top, right? And I can also use this tool to help me tacking in everything here, and I'm good to go. So here's the cable to power the camera. The USB part goes here. If you don't have USB on your car, you can just use this adapter. Then you just connect it here, that way. Okay, and I'm going to connect to the cigarette light, and this other one I'm going to connect to the camera. So here we go. Connecting to the camera. There we go, there's a USB port. I just connect here, and I can power the camera.
Recording started.
Okay, so the recording already started. Just need to hide the cable as best as I can, and I'm good to go. And here's the rear camera. So I'm here on the back of my car, and the idea is just to install the camera here, okay? So here I have the glass, and I just need to remove the sticker and put it here, just like so. And this is movable, so I can change the position that way, move different ways here, so I'm good to go. I also need to remember to remove the plastic from here, okay? So I'm doing this right now, remove it from here. There we go. So the lens is good to go. And I'm going to remove this part here to peel it so I can stick it here, all right? There we go. And just stick here. Then I can turn the camera, and I'm good to go, okay? There we go, have the camera installed here in the windshield. And as you can see, there's an LCD panel with all the information that you need to know. So it shows the time, also that the microphone is working, Wi-Fi, and also the SD card. Here have a blinking LED showing that's a recording, and also a green LED here for the GPS. So the camera is basically working. Now it's time to set it up using the cell phone. So here I have the app to connect to the camera. I just downloaded from the Apple Store. You have this QR code on the user guide, so you can use it to download yours, right? Then I click here to open. I'm going to connect to the camera using Wi-Fi. So basically here, I can find the Wi-Fi from the camera. Let me just turn on my Wi-Fi here and look for the camera signal. There we go. Basically, you're connecting your cell phone directly to the camera. And then back here to the app, I found the camera and it's good to go. Okay, so I can just click here, connect to the camera. I just allow here, and it's going to see live video from this camera.
Wi-Fi is connected.
Okay, so you see the information about Wi-Fi is connected, and here we go. I have video in real time. Let me just put my hand here so you can see. So it's basically working, and here I can take a snapshot. Oops, I just clicked here on the button by mistake. But basically I was saying that you have here the snapshot, you have the information about the SD card, and here you can put on full screen. When I click here, you see it's full screen right now, and it's showing the live video from my camera.